Hello, everyone. 大家好. Welcome to our Mandarin Chinese online course for beginners. My name is Xinyi Huang, and I'm the Mandarin Chinese instructor of Taiwan Education Center at SRMAP. This course is opened by Taiwan Education Center at SRMAP. If you are looking for some information about our Mandarin Chinese course or study in Taiwan, you are always welcome to visit our Facebook page or write an email to us. After learning how to write the Chinese characters and recognize the Chinese characters, today, let's learn how to type the Chinese characters. But before we start the lessons, we need to learn how to set up the Chinese typing in your computer or your laptop. So you ready? Now, let's start to setting up the Chinese typings. Okay, firstly, let's go to the right bottom corner, right? Next to the calendars, right? You can see there's language typings, okay? So I want you guys to click here, okay? Right here, okay? Then click it. Then you will see that how many different language typings you will have here, okay? Then you can simply to find the last one, the language proficiency. Okay, this one. Or the easy ways, you can just go to the settings. Okay, the settings here. Okay, just click it. Okay, once you click it, then you will see your page like this one. Okay, then I want you to choose the language here. Okay, once you click language here, then you will see this page, okay? Then remember, we only want to setting up the Chinese typing, okay? Not your Windows displays as Chinese characters. So you only choose here to add a language, here, add a language. Okay, then let's find the Chinese characters. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this one. Okay, because in my computers, I already have the Chinese typings. So you can see that I cannot choose right now. But in your computers, you will definitely to choose the characters, the Chinese characters. But just pay your attention, pay close attention. I want you to choose the Chinese traditional Taiwan. Okay, because during the course, we learn the traditional Chinese characters only. Okay, I don't want to confuse you guys. So remember to choose Chinese, traditional, and Taiwan. I want to click it, then next, and click the next. Okay. So once again, because my computers already have Chinese typings, so that reason I cannot click it now. Okay. So remember that in your case, you have to choose Chinese, traditional, Taiwan, name, and next, okay? So once you did it, then you will find the options here, Chinese, traditional, and Taiwan, okay? Please pay close attention. You have to choose that traditional and Taiwan. It means you can have the traditional Chinese characters typing in your computers, okay? So click it, click the Chinese traditional Taiwan. And then okay, then click options here. Okay, once you click the options, you will see your page like this. Okay, then I want you to find the keyboards. okay, the left part. Okay, I want you to add a keyboards, okay, because your keyboards should be English keyboards. Okay, but now I want to help you to create a keyboard to type the Chinese typing. So add a keyboard here, click it. Then you will see your page like this one. There's several different options. Okay. Okay. Then please choose the third one, Microsoft Okay. Microsoft the third ones here. Okay. Remember, don't choose the other ones. Okay. The other ones, you don't know how to type it. So the one I want you guys to choose is the third one, Microsoft. Okay, click it. Okay, then you will find that it appear in here. Okay, Microsoft. This one is the one we are going to use for the typings. Okay, so okay, then after that, I want you to click Microsoft. Then you will see that remove and the options. Okay, remember we haven't finished the settings, so I want you to click options here. Okay, once you click options here, you will see your page like this. Okay, then remember now we are going to setting up your keyboard. So remember, I want you to do the settings is here. Key assignment. Okay, please click key assignments here. And then once you click it, then your page will be like this one. Then, okay, please go to the keyboard layout, this place. Select your preferred keyboard layout. Okay, here. Okay, so in here, I want you to choose the second one, which is called 汉语拼音, which is called 汉语拼音. The second one. Okay, remember that. Don't choose the other one. Don't choose standard. Don't choose the Alton. Don't choose Taiwan pinyin. Okay, remember, I want you to choose 汉语拼音. Because this one is the pinyin, the phonetic systems we are learning during the lessons. Okay, so here I want to choose this one, the second one. Okay, once you choose the second one, then the setting is complete. It's finished. Okay, of course, it takes a big while to download the typing, the systems. So maybe you need to take 10 minutes to, it depends on your internet speed. Okay, so it takes time. So don't worry. Okay, you will find that it's almost ready. The setting is almost ready. Okay, so now, okay, you can see it here. You will see here. Now, how can I know it's ready? Okay, you can just go back. Okay, and then choose the language part. Okay, language. Then you can see here, if there's nothing, okay, here if there is nothing, it means it's complete. Okay, so now let's go to start to see how to switch the typing systems. Okay, now again, just go to the right button corners next to the calendars right here. Okay, here, and I want you to click it. Then you will see that. You will see here, you can choose different kind of language typing, right? So okay, the second one, Chinese traditional Taiwan, Microsoft Word is the one we are going to use for our Chinese typing. Okay, I want you to click it. Then you can see in the corner, why, right? Here, you can then, but pay your attention here. I want you to choose these characters. It means English more, English more. So remember that if you choose this one, these characters, it will be, the things will be the same. You use the English typings, okay? It won't type Chinese characters. So I want you to switch to Chinese character more. It will be like this one. You can see that the characters 中, it means Chinese. Okay, so it's Chinese more, right? You can see that Chinese more. And once you click it again, you can see that English more. Okay, English more. So it means in this situation, you only can type English only. But click it, it switch to Chinese more. Then you can start typing Chinese characters. Okay, so now we are ready to type the Chinese characters. Okay, it's all clear now? Okay, once we finish settings, now let's see how to type Chinese characters. Okay, but remember, before we start typing, make sure you switch the typings into Chinese more. Okay, Chinese more, not English more. Okay, so here, let's see the first one. Okay, this one is very familiar for you guys, right? Because this is the phonetic systems we learned during the meetings, during the course. Okay, it's 我, it means I, me, 我, okay, W-O, and this is tonal markers. It means third tones, right? I hope you guys do remember that. So in this one, 我 is W-O and third tones. So then you have, in the typing, you should type W-O and third tones here. Okay, so W-O, third tones. Okay, and then once again, first tones, please type number 1, second tone, please type number 2, and third tones, type number 3, fourth tones, type number 4, and the fifth, it represents neutral tones. Okay, and also the other ways, if it is first tone in the pinyin syllabus, you can simply just insert a space instead of number 1. Okay, it's all up to you. You can choose to type 1 or insert a space, up to you. Okay, so let's try it here. Okay, so let's see how to type these characters. 我, I. Okay, so let's see that. Let's type W-O. Okay, make sure you type the initial and finals. Then the last one is the tones, because once you type the tones, the system will know it's finished this syllabus. Okay, so make sure you type it, the tones, in the last one step. Okay, in the last one. Okay, so W-O, then the number 3s. Okay, right? And then, okay, so yeah. Okay, we are lucky. So the first one, 我, is the correct characters. But what if you want to choose the other characters? You can simply click the bottom, okay, the bottom part, okay, to go down. Okay, remember next to the numbers, okay, they have up, the button for the up, button for the up, but the button for down, button for up, and button for right, button to left. So I want you to choose the button, the button for going down. Okay, so you can simply to see that, right? Okay, then you can just choose the characters you want. Okay, you can simply just choose the characters by the mouse. Okay, to click it. Or you can just type the numbers, okay? The first one, second one, third one, or the fourth one, okay? Then, for example, if I want to choose the second one, like this one, you can see in the screen, then you can click the number 2, okay, right? It changed that, right? Okay, again, you just try to click the button of going down, right? Then you can switch again. If you want this one, then again, you just use your mouse or to click the numbers in the keyboard, okay? Then you switch, okay? But it only functions when the dark light still appear, okay? You can see that in the bottom right, Okay, let's going on to the second characters. 我是 the verb to be, right? Okay, SHI 是 is 4 tones. So, okay, once you finish the initial and finals, then the last one step is the tones, okay? To tell the systems we finished this pinyin syllabus. Okay, please. Number 4. Okay, 是. Okay, I am. This character is definitely not the character for the verb, be verb, right? So again, to click the button for going down, right? You can see that that's all the characters, Chinese characters have the same pinyin syllabus. Okay, SHE and then 4 tones, right? It's all characters with this same pinyin syllabus, okay? But so we have to choose the correct characters, right? So which one is the character for the verb to be? Okay, it's the number 2, right? The number 2, this one. Okay, so you just choose the number 2 or click these characters by using the mouse. Okay, so let's click number 2. Then you can see that it switched to the character I want, and it still have the dot line in the bottom of the characters. Okay, you see, if you click enter, then the dot line will disappear. Then if you cannot change the characters at all. Okay, no matter you want to click this one and then click the button to going down, there's no more options. You cannot change the character at all. Okay, so once again, you can see that WO and then 3rd tones. See, you can see that now there is one dot line in the bottom of the characters, right? It means you can change that. Okay, but you can still change that. But once you click enter, the dot line disappear. Then you cannot change the characters. Okay, so here, that's how we type the characters. Okay, and then also let's see this one. Okay, they see that you just click the button to going down, then you can find the character, the many options, right? Just like this one. Okay, 是. Okay, click the button to going down, then you will see a lot of characters, right? Those characters are all have same pinyin syllabus as the verb to be. Okay, so you can see that there's a lot, right? You can just simply to click the characters you want by using your mouse or use the numbers. Okay, so this one. Okay, once you click enter, then the dot line will disappear, and it means the characters cannot change. Okay, and then let's see here. Okay, so let's see how to type this. The U with 2 dots, right? This one, 女, right? Okay, so this one, the U with 2 dots, we cannot find this pinyin syllabus we cannot find this initials in the keyboard. So we just use the V, the alphabet V instead of this syllabus. Okay, so for example, I want to type the female, 女. You can just type and then use V instead of U. Okay, and V, then it's 3rd tones, right? 3rd tones. So N, V, then 3rd tones, place the number 3 here. You see that? Okay, again, if you want to choose the other characters have same pinyin syllabus like this one, then you just click the button to going down, then you can just simply to choose the characters you want, right? Okay, click it. Okay, then click enter, then you finish that. Okay, so it's very easy, right? It's not difficult as you think. Okay, so is there any doubt about typing these characters? Okay, if not, let's have some exercise. Okay. Before we finish the lesson today, let's have some small quizzes to check if you learn these characters properly or not. Are you ready? Okay, so now I want you guys to type these 3 characters. And the pinyin syllables are here. So how to type the characters? 你好吗? Okay, if you're ready, then check it, okay? Make sure these characters, you choose the correct characters, okay? If you cannot find these 3 characters, it means you typed the pinyin syllables wrong, okay? So let's try the second sentence, okay? Okay, now, if you're right, then let's try the second sentence. 我很好，你呢? Okay, so I want you to type these characters and then remember that to find the correct characters. Okay, third tones, remember that? So how to type that? Third tones. Okay, and then there is no tonal markers. So it means it is a neutral tones. So remember that if it's a neutral tones, you should type number 5. Okay. Okay. Once you finish type the pinyin syllables, then you have to find the correct characters because each one pinyin syllables, it might have more than 2, even more than 3 characters, right? So you have to choose the correct characters. Otherwise, we don't understand what is the sentence you want to tell people, okay? I hope you all working well. All done? Okay, good. Okay, today's lesson is the end. If you have any question about our Mandarin Chinese courses, or you need any information about studying in Taiwan, you can just visit our Facebook page or write an email to us. Thank you for watching the video today. Hope to see you soon. 谢谢，再见。